everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to show you how I clean clay pot for first time before usage. Cooking in clay pot has lot of health benefits. It retains 90% of the nutrients of the food if we cook in the clay pots. And it also adds many other nutrients like calcium, iron, magnesium, which is very helpful for our body. It is porous in nature and it allows heat to evenly distribute throughout the container. So let's see how to clean it for the first time. So after purchase it has some dust on it, so I am just rinsing off with the regular water. I took a big vessel with lot of water to submerge the clay pot in the water. Afterwards I kept this pot for 2 days, 2 overnights. Since it is being porous in nature, it can absorb moisture from the water while soaking. So see the bubbles are releasing. It is interesting to watch it here. Now it is second day, so I am taking that pot away from the water. It is already soaked nicely, so I am keeping it dry by itself. It will take a while to get it dried. When the pot is dry by itself, we can apply any oil. I took coconut oil and applied inside thoroughly. We can also apply the oil outside. I did the same thing with the lid as well, and let it sit for some time, like 3 to 4 hours. To remove the oil from the pot, I heated the pan and kept the water and let it bubble out, and then throw this water away. So it has already oil. So now I am washing it with a basin. And once it is washed nicely, then for first time I am frying the onions with little oil, because it may give some clay smell, so I don't want to be in that curry. So I am frying it, and then I am going to throw these onions and again wash this one with basin. So then pot is ready to use again. I hope this video will help you to clean the clay pot for first time. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe.